All right. Hi, and welcome to another Blender Basics restroom diorama. Last video took quite a bit, like about 2, 3 times what it takes. But this video should be hopefully really short. We're going to talk about materials, how to assign them. Um, but yeah, okay. Let's see. We're just going to focus right now on these three parts: the ceiling. Sorry, not ceiling. The tiles on the walls and the floor. So we're going to isolate. Shift H. Let's select this one right here, and we're going to add two materials. One for the tile colors, and one for the the overall the edges in between or something like that. Tiles between. All right, between or all right, okay. Put that up here. We want that as white. Oh, sorry. So select the object you want to add a material to. Then go down here to material properties and select new or addition here to create a new material. All right. So we got that as white. Let's go to render up here so that we can see what's going on. And we should also turn on our lights right here. All right. So we can better see. Cool. Then with this selected, press tab, edit mode, and we're gonna select the faces. So go to face mode. Oh. And unfortunately, we can't do the control shift or the double clicking to select all these faces. We have to select them by manual labor. All right, there we are. And then, okay, so this is going to be the tiles, right? So with that selected and the tiles material selected over here, we're going to click assign, and then we're going to change the color. And if that worked, then great, but apparently it did not. So we're going to go back, change this to something else. Let's see, we'll do this baby blue, and then select the faces here, and then go to this, and then assign, and then change up. That is weird why that's not working. Okay, and then between, and then assign, then change the colors. Okay. I don't know why, but yeah. All right, so I guess with tile selected instead this time, and we're gonna name between, and then tiles. All right, so with this selected, let's click all these faces that we want. Actually, that's a pretty good contrast. Then select the tiles right here, up here, the material, and then assign, and that should get everything nice and squared. Okay, go back to the material for the background, and we're going to change this up to like white, or we can even do like a nice like a gray. Okay, this tiles, let's do like a baby blue. Okay, that's pretty good. And we're pretty much going to do the same over here, but rather than waste time, we are just gonna delete this and then copy this. Shift D, R, C, 90. Oh, didn't. Shift D, RC90. Oh, Control C. RC negative 90. All right, so it's copied properly. Then press 3. Then 1. And we can readjust that later. All right, sweet. We got our flooring. I mean, our tiling for the ceiling. The walls. All right. So we're pretty much just gonna do the same thing to here. Selected. This is gonna be the color for the floor, and then for the tiles, select another color. All right. Select the primary color. Press Tab. Edit mode, and then we're going to select faces. Right. And then we're going to select the material for the tiles, and then assign it, and then we're going to change up the color. And actually, a nice black here would do well. So our floors aren't too dirty. Sweet. All right. I'm going to show you how to link materials really fast. So tab, object mode. If you try to link the materials from this one to this one, it's not gonna really work because again, you're selecting faces, or at least I'm not sure how to do that. All right, so we're gonna do a really quick example. So Shift A, mesh, cube. This is gonna be color pink, right? And then we're gonna do Shift A, mesh, cube, and we're gonna make the material for this one go here, and they're gonna be linked. So Shift and then Shift Select, and then Control L, and then link materials. And if that works, this should be the same color as this. But unfortunately, it's not working, and I'm not always sure why it doesn't work. Let's see, we can do it backwards maybe. Oh, okay. So I guess I gotta do it backwards. So select what you want copied, and then from what you want copied. And that's pretty much it. All right, nice. So we learned how to add materials, how to select faces and just add materials to that, and then how to link materials between objects. So I hope that helps, and let's continue. It's the next video.